Here we are, guys. As you see, the Ethereum today, he pushed up above here today. That's very good sign. Also, we thinking yesterday from here it's going to dump, but it doesn't. It pushed more higher. That's very good sign. Let's see now what's going to happen because the zone, we are in a very stronger zone here. We touch it, guys. As you see it, how many times it's being touched here. We touch it again. Let's see now what's going to happen. We haven't done nothing here in the Ethereum because it's a very stronger zone and it's too dangerous to take any action base or from that zone here. Always if I'm never ever trade, that another story. Now here what we got an uptrend like that, guys. As you see it, level or the zone, also we are in a very stronger zone here. We can make it even like that. We can make it even like that, like a weight here. Now that weight, you can add to it the one here, so it's going to be a pin-out here. That pin-out here, if the market fall down and break it lower here, maybe it's going to dump like that. That's possible, guys. That for the short, for the long, what you got here, for the long, at this time, long, as me I told you, is too dangerous to enter a long. That's the only things I can tell you. Why? Let me show you in the Ethereum in daily what we got, guys. That's very important in daily here in Ethereum chart. Let me show it to you. Here in the Ethereum, guys, in daily, as you see it, the Ethereum here, it's breaking here the 200 moving average. That's very good sign. But it's happened before here, and it was just a fake out here, then we dump. Now let's see what's going to happen here. If that Ethereum going to pump more higher, that's very good sign. Second scenario, maybe that Ethereum from here to dump, because if you look in here based on the volume profile, also we are in a very stronger zone. Now what we can do here based on the Ethereum in daily, guys, look with me here. If you came to the tail of that candle here and that one here and you connecting them, you got here an uptrend. That uptrend, you can make it like that, like an up channel like that. Let me show it to you to draw it more correct like that. Not the up channel, guys. You touch the lower of it here. Maybe that Ethereum going to go to touch the top of that up channel. Even that one, it's possible. The top of that up channel is it exactly at 3,600. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. Now it's going to see our indicator. What it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it in the Ethereum, it touch a very stronger zone. As also being saying thousands of times here. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Maybe it's going to come back again to touch for us extreme overbought area. That's possible. Second scenario, we need to see what's going to happen. Now we got here in our indicator that uptrend, which is same like that one here in the chart. Now let's see how it's going to react to it, the market. If that one getting broke down here, it needs to break even in the chart here for you to take some action, my friend. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, same thing. Try to give you here like a big head and shoulder like that, as you see it here. That's a big head and shoulder, guys. If it's getting broke here, we're going to see that Sol jumping very high. Second scenario, even that one, you need to put it aside. We got here like that, like a up channel like that, guys. You see it here. You touch the lower of it here, maybe the Sol going to come back to touch the top of it. Even that one is possible. Second scenario, what is it? The Sol to give you here a double top here and to fall down and to break the lower here. Even that one is possible. So the Sol doesn't got a clear direction plus a very stronger zone. If you're looking at it from here, look with me here at the tails of or the lows of those candles here. If you came and you draw them like that, you are in the same zone here, guys. So you need to be careful what's going to happen in the coming hours. We got something else here in the Sol in daily. Let me show it to you. Sol here in daily, guys, as you see it, is it stuck between those moving averages here. It needs to break at least one direction above for the Sol to go more higher or to fall down, to break lower here for the Sol to fall down. No matter how long as we stay in between that 50 and that 100 moving average, we're going to spend all the week sideways like that. So I think I explained everything. If you want to see us, what we're doing behind scene, and you want us when we enter and what we do, you can join us. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, couldn't break or couldn't enter to the zone where the bears, the contract very quickly go back to a bull side. As when technically the Sol here is it in a bullish market. There is nothing changed, guys. And maybe that Sol going to go more higher. Even that one is possible. So we are ready for all scenarios. If you want to know exactly what else we do, or you want the help of us, or you want to learn more, because with us we're going to teach you a lot of things, you can join us, but it's up to you, my friend. Now let's go into see the XRP we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. Here in the XRP in 4 hours, same thing, nothing new, and it looks same like The all, as you see it here, got that uptrend here. Every time it touch it, it bounce above. Now let's see if it's going to break it here. You can take some trades from here, that's possible. Second scenario, the XRP came to break above here. It's going to give you a big head and shoulder like that. Even that one is possible. For the short, same thing. You can come and connect in those ones like that. You're going to get here an uptrend and you focus about it to be broke for you to catch a trade. Even that one, it's possible, guys, like that. So everything is possible here in the XRP. Now let's go into see the XRP, what it's doing today in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. Based on the XRP here in daily, guys, we still stuck between those moving averages and the XRP base here on the 200 and all those moving averages here. You are in a bear market, nothing changed. The only thing, the XRP doesn't got volume those days. That way also we avoiding to take any action or any trade in the XRP, and even you should do, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here extreme overbought area in a very stronger zone here. Now let's see if that XRP going to break that uptrend like that. If it's not, us, we are ready for all scenarios, and that way us every time we're telling you to join us, because with us you're going to learn a lot of things about friend. If you are interested, of course, all the links you're going to find them down in the description of that video. You can even join our X, where we're sharing a lot of extra things. We can share it here. Even in Discord, we're sharing a lot of things, even in Telegram. So you choose any platform you like. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. And please, guys, support that channel. It's a new channel. So please, guys, support it by likes and sharing that video if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.